Good morning, everyone. So this is the new regular terminal that I'll be using for now. So it's quite different from the other packs terminal that we're using. In that, on this you don't need to manually install the Opay app every single time for each terminal. Now to on the terminal, switch it on. Now please note there is a SIM card in it. There's a SIM card on this terminal. Without a SIM card, it does not work. When you open the terminal, you need to connect the battery, then input a SIM card that has data on it. Now, once you do that, the booting process takes a little bit of time. So this is what's going to show. So remember, for key download, it's still the same thing as regards this one. Once it shows you TMK, you know it's downloading key, or param download. So once it shows any of that, then you know that it is downloading key. So you can see the icon here that there's a SIM card on it. So this terminal is already linked. Remember I said that you don't need to manually configure. Now it's downloading key, takes a little bit of time. You don't need to manually configure the Opay app on it. So there's no need for any packs file using your PC loader or whatever to do on this one. So this, what you just need to do is just manually, it has been configured already on the terminal. So your job is just to link the terminal and the agent begins using it. So this is just like once it shows the param download, then it means it's already processing to download the key successfully. So when it shows this, just leave it. It's going to go by itself. That is all. So you wait again. It's going to start the process all over again. Downloading key takes a little bit of time. So there is data on this SIM card. There is data and the terminal is linked, and there's also a printing paper on the terminal. That is why it is told you print paper okay. Now this is how to make a transaction. So it's still the same way as before. You click on the menu button. Now you have cash out, pre-authorize, network balance, and Opay. This cash out is to make a withdrawal. Now this pre-authorize is simply for you to for the ATM card to like restrict some amount of money. Like really, agents don't need this number 2. They don't need this. So for 3 is to download key, which is network. 4 is for balance, which is I can bring my my card, and the customer brings his cards to the agent. The agent can use that card to check the balance. So I will do a practical on that. And number 5 is Opay. Now let me show you the functions for Opay. They have initialized. They don't need to concern themselves with this. We have login. Now we have deposit. Deposit is just simply transferring from this terminal to another bank. That is from my Opay wallet to a bank. So let's just do the inquiry list is just simply transaction details. So let's try it for deposit. Enter the account number. Once you put that in, follow the prompts, and that is that. So for cash out, it's still the same process at the packs terminal. You put in your ATM card and you follow the prompts there. So please note that you have to link the terminal first. So the first step is I have to assign this SN. This is the SN at the back. This is like an example. So you assign the SN. Once I give you the go ahead that the SN has been assigned, then you can then link the terminal and begin issuing. Now there is a SIM card on this terminal with data. It is linked. If not, it's not going to work. So you need to have data on the SIM card, and the terminal needs to be linked. So it needs to be linked to an Opay agent wallet.